That's a lot of trunk flex. It was playing pretty low. The way the trunk was flexing so much outside, and I think you're keeping a lot of the pressure in there, man.
I want to do something with the back seats, do I have one in the center console on my kid that way?
Something you can put right here?
Yeah.
Oh, so your seats don't go down?
No, they don't. They're stuck. So that's the
they're really like a back massager back there.
Yeah.
Nice. So what is your name and what's all in here, man?
My name's Adam, and it's there's 2 Resilient Sound 15s, Platinum 15s, on 2 bass pad chains.
Okay.
So I'll show you some.
Yeah, man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Nice. Looks good. Did you actually, this fit right in here tight and snug?
Yeah, I built it outside and just barely squeezed it in there. Me and my brother got it in.
Okay. So could you tell me real quick, kind of closer, what is all down here that we're looking at?
Alright, so those are all my mids and highs amps. So only these 2 are working right now. The rest are going to be, I'm going to hook up when I get my doors done.
Okay.
So I'm working on
That's how the tweeters and mids were sounding on the doors, okay.
Yeah. So I got a DS18, 6.5, and star.
Got it, yeah. And this is
a Headway lift amp.
How much amp hour?
100, it's 296 amp hour bank.
Okay. Got it.
And there's a 270 amp.
Yeah. Nice. And you know what this is tuned to?
It's about 32, I think.
Okay.
I aimed for 30, but it came out a little higher.
It was playing pretty low. Yeah. Looks good. DS18 mid bass. So you have nothing really, it's just plated.
It's metal.
Metal, okay. Police Interceptor. What year?
2008.
2008, okay.
Yeah, it's a Hillsborough County.
Is there a way you can play half volume with the subs and the sub flex and the outside?
Like half, like mid volume?
Yeah, with the trunk open, just half volume. For a little bit of sub flex. Just don't turn it up too much. Yeah, you can turn it back up. Oh yeah. That's actually pretty good. I was surprised the way the trunk was flexing so much outside. And I think you're keeping a lot of the pressure in there, man.
Yeah.
That's a lot of trunk flex.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet
Yep.